I really believe that diet is the primary way that we need to change things.
The formula is clear. You want to eat the foods that promote good health. You want to avoid the foods that contribute to poor health.
Yeah, I used to be like, my emotions would just go up and down, and a lot of that stuff also correlates with your diet. So just learning about that stuff was a game changer for me. But it's helped so much in every way.
The body is a natural self-healing machine, and disease is unnatural, avoidable, and in most cases reversible with superior nutrition.